Hello everyone and welcome to T's Cottage Guide, and today we're going to be reviewing a locomotive for the first time in quite a while. Today we're reviewing Hornby's new Lion. So now we're going to open the box and see what we get inside. So inside we have the locomotive attender, 2 first class coaches and 1 third class. Got a bit of history on the line, and I'm going to put a photo of this bit on screen now so you can read that for yourself. On the side you got what the train will look like. So you got locomotive, tender, first class and then third class. There was no second class as far as I'm aware. And on the back it's just got some warnings on, not very interesting. So now we are going to open this up, take it out of this box. And first things first, slide this out, and here we have the locomotive carriages and the booklet. Let's have a look at that now. So here it is, Liverpool and Manchester Railway Lion 042 steam locomotive and tender, DCC ready and DCC fitted. So it's just got some running hints, how to operate it, how to fit the people. Yes, we do get people like the rocket. And also we've already got the rocket, so we can run this with rocket hopefully. So now we're going to take a look at the actual locomotive itself. So to take the locomotive out of packaging, a bit more difficult than the other ones. What you got to do, you've got 2 holes at the back, so you have to push the locomotive and tender through like that, and out they plop. And wow, it's actually fairly hefty actually. Here we are now. Aha, that's good, they've learned the lesson from Rocket. They've put on a proper drawbar, whereas Rocket, it just had dangling wires. But there it is guys, Lion in all of beauty. Put Lion down there. Before we put it on track, I want to have a quick look at the details. It does look quite good actually, I will admit. It's got very nice controls. Now, one bit I'm really amazed at, it shows part of the motion under the locomotive, which is just fantastic. But I'm not going to do all this because I know this is a very boring part of the review. You guys all want to see it get running. But just the best detail, things like actual proper dangling hook for coupling. Obviously it's from couple itself, but it's just amazing. Can't wait to get this running guys. So now, let's get this on the track. So guys, hope this is alright. Just got a light fitted to this so you can see a bit better. But we're just going to get this going now for the first time. So here we go, the first run. Bit stuttery, but you know, we got to run it in. But for the first run, that's not that bad. Move that out of the way. It is squeaking a bit, if you can hear that guys. But for the first run, that's not that bad. So now I'm going to reverse it a bit again. I'm going to send it off now so we can see, get running. So here we go guys, 50% power. So guys, it's been for a run-in, so hopefully it is at least a little bit better now. I'm going to turn up the power now. That is certainly a lot better, the squeak has gone. And it does a quite nice crawl. Oh, get back in focus, there we are. So now I'm actually going to put the characters on, hook up the wagons, and then we're going to do a little bit of a running session. So now we have the driver and the fireman on the locomotive. So now it's time to hook up the 2 first class and the 1 third class carriage. So now we have the 2 first class and 1 third class coach on. So now I'm going to bring it forward. Have a look at them as they go past. So here comes the locomotive, first class, and the third class. So now it's time to have a bit of a running session. I'm going to try my best with the camera, but obviously it's a new camera, I'm still getting used to it, so Please let me know what you think of the quality. So now I'm going to bring the Lion forward with coaches. We'll put it about that amount of power, that's pretty good. And now I'm bringing the next loco past. It's Rocket! Sort of. Come on, Rocket. Oh, come on, Rocket. You can do it. Or not, he could just completely die on me. I wonder if it's that track. I reckon it's that track's always been dodgy. But anyway, Lion's coming past now again, so Lion, it's already been lapped. Oh, Rocket stopped. Now what I've noticed with Lion is occasionally that squeaks come back. I hear it now. And there's Rocket, being a rocket as usual. So guys, I'm going to bring the Rocket and Lion in to a stop. So here comes Rocket, here comes Lion. Bring that to a stop there. And here comes Rocket. Oh, there we go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for maybe more reviews, obviously more videos in the future. So thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.